Hi, this is the TOZO PE1 mini Bluetooth speaker. I bought it because I like its design and it is very portable. In the package there is a very clear manual on top with a description of all the functions of the buttons. The speaker itself can be comfortably carried in one hand. It also has a handy carabiner with which you can clip it to your backpack, clothing, etc. This is a good idea. On the side there are 4 function buttons: a play-pause button, a Bluetooth pairing button, and 2 volume buttons. However, each of the buttons also has secondary functions. To turn on the speaker, press the power button for 1 second. The pairing indicator on the bottom of the speaker will flash. Next to it is a USB-C port through which we charge the speaker. The manufacturer states that the playtime is up to 32 hours. Here I would remind that it depends on the playback volume. I tested the speaker at a volume of around 70%, which is already significantly better than my phone's maximum volume. In an hour of playing at this volume, the charge level dropped by about 30%. So I could listen for less than 4 hours on a single charge. So definitely not the claimed 32 hours of playtime. And listening at a low volume would be the same as just listening directly from the phone. But the sound quality is very good. And the max volume level is also very good, considering the size of the speaker. If you download the TOZO app, you can also adjust the sound using the equalizer. This is also nice. In addition, the TOZO PE1 speaker can also be used for making phone calls. You can even switch between multiple calls at the same time. The speaker also offers IPX8 waterproof protection class, so it is also suitable for outdoor environments, rainy weather, but also for the pool and so on. Overall, I am happy with the speaker. My only criticism is that at real playtime at a decent volume, it is definitely not 32 hours, as the manufacturer states, but much less. At a volume level that I already consider sufficient, it was roughly 4 hours. However, I like the speaker and will use it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.